What's up, guys? So today Trevor and I are back at Hanging Rock State Park, and we are walking the waterfall trail instead of the mountain trail today. I've never been down the waterfall trail, so neither has Trevor, so this is the first time for both of us. And I know I look like a hoodlum, but I forgot my beanie at the house, and I'm wearing my Ruger hat. I'm cold. Fuck you. We'll have a lot of hanging rock footage in the summer when we go swimming out here, but you know, I've never walked this trail, so I was like, Trevor came up with the idea. He's like, let's go to Hanging Rock. I was like, fuck it, let's go. So now we are at Hanging Rock, and that's the mountain we climbed last time. Fuck that today. It's too cold. Too cold. That, and there's a lot of ice. So I think they shut it off. I don't know for sure. But here's one of the shelters for if you want to have a picnic of some kind. Pretty cool. Nice and old looking. And now we're at the beginning. Window Falls and Hidden Falls, so Trevor's all the way up there. For some reason he's in a fucking rush. No idea why. Yeah guys, I start work at O'Reilly's tomorrow, and it's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. Greatness. Hold on, I got a really cool cover for it today, for this video, so hold on. Okay guys, so we made it down to the Hidden Falls, which is down this way. So we're gonna head to that one first. Y'all will be seeing this with us for the first time. I don't know if y'all have been here before or not, but Trevor and I have not been to this part. Oh wow. Check that out, guys. That's awesome. Guys, I climbed to the top of the waterfall. Trevor's gonna take a picture of me up here. Hang on guys, I'm gonna take a selfie real quick. Got it. You really just got water from it?
Yeah, deal with it.
Alright guys, we're going to move on and head to the other waterfall. Alright guys, we're arriving at the second waterfall. Damn, I got a snot rocket coming, man. Trevor, down here's where you're supposed to go.
I know. But since when do I do what I'm supposed to?
Never, that's why I hit you. Yeah, let's go look up there first so I ain't gotta climb all the way back up here. I'm a fat ass. I want to apologize for the audio, guys. It's really fucking windy up here. Head over here, see what's going on. Alright guys, we're at the secret window waterfall. We're gonna head down there in a second, but if it was dry, we would actually head over there to show y'all, but it's not dry. It's all mud. So hang on a second. Check that out, guys. We're gonna go down a little farther. So Trevor, what do you think of the waterfalls?
You good?
Alright guys, so that wraps up our little adventure / excursion to the waterfalls on Hanging Rock. But I thought I'd drive over here and show y'all the lake real quick that we'll be swimming at this summer. Hold on. That is the lake, guys.
I feel dead.
Trevor's dying. I'm just coughing up a lung because I'm a smoker. But yeah guys, that'll conclude, damn this road's bumpy. That'll conclude this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, comment what y'all want to see next. Love, peace, tree grease.